InterSon is an interactive sonification tool that allows vision-impaired users to explore map data such as population densities. We are looking at a U.S. state map of population. The population for each state is presented by a violin sound. A high pitch means high value, so California has more people than Alaska. The sound is in stereo, so the sound for Alaska comes from left, and the sound for Maine from the right. Pressing the space key reads all the details about a state.
Maine. Population 21 to 64 years is 758,762.
The plus and the minus keys switch among 4 information levels. Level 1 is only sound. Level 2 has sound and a state name.
Information level 2. Maine.
Level 3 also reads the exact value.
Information level 3. Maine 758,762.
And the level 0 has only the state name.
Information level 0. Maine.
To explore the map, blind users can use a touchpad or a keyboard. The touchpad allows continuous exploration. Users drag their fingers or press spots on the smooth surface touchpad and hear the value for the state under the finger. A percussion sound indicates the crossing of a state border. The sound stops when the finger is lifted off the touchpad. A chirp sound indicates the finger is off the map. With the keyboard, we can use the 4 arrow keys to move around. The chirp sound tells us that water was crossed. We can press 0 to start an automatic sweep and hear a quick sonified overview of the pattern. A percussion sound indicates the end of a row, and the bell sound ends a sweep. Let's do it again. Vertical sweep or sweep bar cluster is also possible. We can also use the numerical keypad to hear a partial overview. Each key corresponds to one of the 9 ranges. Pressing 7 places all the states in the northwest. Pressing 9 places the northeast. This can be done recursively. For example, we can press Ctrl 9 to zoom into range 9.
Zoom into range 9.
Now pressing 9 will only play the northeast part of the zoomed range. Or we can use the arrow keys again. The table view shows multiple variables at the same time. Values in the table are also presented as pitches. Sorting allows users to find low or high values.
Ascending. Descending.
In the cell mode, the current cell is played. In the row and column mode, we hear an automatic sweep of the row or column, depending on the direction of movement.
Row and column mode. Population 21 to 64 years with a disability.
The 4 information levels are still available. The table and the map are tightly coupled, so results in one view are always reflected in the other. Let's see how InterSon helped one of our blind users answer this question. What and where are the 5 states with the highest % employment rate for the disabled population? We first find the right variable in the table.
Percent employed population 21 to 64 years with a disability.
Then we press O twice to sort the values in descending order.
Ascending. Descending.
We jump to the top and listen to the top 5 states.
South Dakota. Alabama. Wyoming. Utah. Montana.
To locate these 5 states on the map, we first press L to lock the 5 states.
Lock Montana. Utah. Lock Utah.
Then we use Tab to switch to the map view. The 5 states are also locked on the map, and we press A to hear only those 5 states.
Locked regions only.
By using the numerical keypad, we can figure out where the states are. Pressing 9 shows there's nothing in northeast. Pressing 7 shows 2 of the states are in the northwest.
Montana. Wyoming.
By using arrow keys to move around, we find that 4 states are next to each other.
South Dakota. Wyoming. Utah. Wyoming. Montana.
Pressing F10 goes to the menu that we can navigate with the arrow keys. Each menu item links to a help message.
Data view. Absolute navigation. Relative navigation. Zoom. More actions. Information level. Menu opened. Use up and down arrow keys to select a menu item. Increase. Decrease is used to decrease feedback detail level by 1. It can be activated by pressing key, enter, in the menu, or pressing key, after returning from the menu.
Pressing F1 goes to the online help, which contains links to auditory user manuals.
To browse the list of help topics, press the tab key or down arrow key. General information. Gives a brief overview about InterSon.
For advanced users, InterSon supports incremental data filtering by changing the lower and upper value bounds of query sliders.